Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem toy code in Trust and Price game on Roblox. Okay, let's get started. Here I have already joined the game, and if you want to redeem your toy code, you can go to the codes menu right here. Previously, it's called DLC code, but in this new update, it has changed to toy code, and if you want to redeem it, you just need to activate the toy code. Okay, and you will be able to enter your toy code here, and then just click on redeem. And just remember guys that this toy code is only available on Dress and Press PC. So if you want to redeem your toy code, you need to use your PC. This feature is not available on the mobile phone. And okay guys, that's how you can redeem toy code in Trust and Price game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.